Hi everybody! We're going to be drawing owls in art today, but first I want to talk about a really important art vocabulary word called symmetry or symmetrical. When something has symmetry, it is symmetrical. It means same on both sides when there's a dividing line going down the middle. So this polar bear is the same on both sides. There is actually a dividing line going right down the middle because I folded the paper in order to draw it the same on both sides of the center line. So now I'm going to show you that you can always take your paper and gently fold it a little bit this way and gently fold it a little bit this way. Some artists use a center line drawn lightly that they erase later. Some people call it a plumb line to go down the middle to make it very even on both sides. So I'm going to show you how to do an owl with a folded center line. So you fold your paper, step one, tall way like a hot dog, fat way like a hamburger, and then you open it up and you have these nice light guidelines on your paper. Now you're going to probably be working with a pencil. I'm going to be working with a Sharpie so it shows up on the video. But what you're going to do for this owl is you're going to draw this funny jelly bean shape, okay? And you're going to use the guidelines to make it even on both sides. So step one is just to do an arch like a rainbow, close to the top but not touching the top. You're going to do the same arch on the bottom. Now you're going to notice if we divide this right up the middle, it's basically the same on both sides. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're going to connect to the jelly bean, which is really the owl's body. I'm going to connect it just down to here because I'm going to put a wing on this side. You can connect yours all the way because you can erase. I can't erase with Sharpie. Now, in the middle, we're going to do a triangle for the nose. That's the beak. And then we're going to go up and over, like an arch, up and over. Sometimes I draw a cat face a little bit like this. I'm going to do another center line here. We're going to kind of make this a modern owl that you can Zentangle. So make a smiley face, make a rainbow for now. You do two parentheses, curve, 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 curve. Then there is a circle in the middle. I'm going to fill it in black. Okay, starting to look like a modern designed owl. So now we're going to do an upside down U right here, and it's kind of sticking off the side a little. This is where the drawing is no longer symmetrical. It is no longer same on both sides. That part is, this part's not. I'm making the dot smaller and smaller as I go down. Now we're going to do three curves. One right at the halfway fold, one below that, another one below that, and then there are these cool triangles. Now you can add a lot more pattern or design to make the feathers look interesting. You don't have to do just this, okay? So, I'm going to add this zigzag line at the bottom for the claw, so it curves down, zigzag curves up. Now, it's sitting on a wobbly branch, so I'm doing a wobbly line under, stop at the foot, wobbly line in between the feet, wobbly line under, curve, curve, connect, curve, curve, curve. That's the tail behind the branch. Now you might want a couple other branches coming down so it seems like he's really outside. You can pause this video as much as you need to get caught up. I'm going to put a moon here. Color in the background really dark, either a dark purple, a dark blue, or even black. And then make the owl bright colors just for fun. It doesn't have to be realistic. It's a piece of art. You can do it however you want on the coloring part. Make sure you color your whole picture, take a picture of it, and upload it so I can see it. Thanks.